everyone, I'm Chef Simone Bridges, owner of Goddess Food Factory. And you may have seen me on Steve Harvey or Wonderama, but let's get into what we're making today. Today we're making, drum roll please, strawberry mud cup. Ooh, this just looks so yummy. So I'm going to teach you how to make it. It's really simple, really easy, and really quick, and perfect for back to school morning treats. So first, you're just going to take a random glass, and then you're going to crush up some Oreos. Now how you do this is you just take a random Oreo, peel it apart, and you take the cream on the inside and you separate it using a knife. And then you take the cream, put it inside of a cup, just like so. And then I do about like 10 of these. And then you take the cookie and put it inside of a Ziploc bag and then crush it up really good. And then you're going to put it inside of a bowl. And then you have lots of crushed up cookies or crushed up Oreos. And then you're just going to put it on the bottom of your cup. So that's why it's called a strawberry mud cup, because it's going to kind of be like your mud. But this is delicious though. It's going to be good, really good. So you just put it on the bottom of your cup. And then now we're going to take some cream cheese. So you're just going to settle that in a little bit so it can look like this. Ooh, already looks so good. I'm super excited. So you're going to take some cream cheese, and I use Philadelphia cream cheese. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to make sure that it is room temperature. You really want to make sure that it is room temperature, because then you're able to mix it up really good. And so I already have a little bit of the cream from the Oreo. You're going to add that in. And then you're going to add in some condensed milk. And I'm just going to pour the rest of the condensed milk in here. And you're going to have about, well, in total, this is 7 ounces of condensed milk, and this is going to be 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. And then you're just going to mix that up really good, like so. Mix. So you're going to mix it up really good. And you're going to kind of beat it on the side. So you're going to tip it to the side and beat it really good, like so. None of you all can see that. Can you see this? There we go. So now that we have our cream mixture, now what you're going to do is you're just going to add some of the cream next. And you kind of like stacking. So you're just going to stack it, alternating between the crumbs, the strawberries, and the cream. Crumbs, strawberries, cream. So we have the crumbs. Crumb, cream, strawberry. Crumbs, cream, and strawberry. So we have the crumbs at the bottom. We have the cream right here now. Now we're going to add some strawberries. So you're going to add some strawberries right here. And just going to put it all around. Add some strawberries in there. And then now you're going to add some more crumbs. Like I said, we're stacking. Add some more crumbs. Uh-oh. Now you're going to add some more cream. And this is supposed to be really simple, just really simple and easy for you to make at home. Really simple. I'm going to add a little bit more cream. And now we're going to add some more strawberries. Just a little bit more strawberries. And now you're finished. So we have the crumbs, we have the strawberries, and we have the cream here. And then you're all done. Really, you're all done now. See? You see it? All done, all finished. Looks really delicious. And you can either top it off with the strawberry like I did on this one here, or you can take some whipped cream and you can top it off with some whipped cream on top, which looks really nice and pretty and very delicious. And that's how you make the strawberry mud cup in less than 5 minutes. Super easy, super simple. Bye!